Have you ever built an amazing online shop, only for no one to find it? It's frustrating. You feel invisible.
The problem is often simple. Your shop is missing the two most important price tags on the internet. And today, I'm going to show you how to fix them. The two secret labels. Every result you see on Google has two secret labels. The first is the meta title. Think of it as the main sign above your shop store. It's the big blue clickable headline. The second is the meta description. This is your 15-second sales pitch, the text right below the headline that convinces people to come inside. In the past, you just filled these labels with keywords for the old simple robot. But the game has changed. Now you have to convince me, the new AI, and the impatient human behind the screen. How to speak to the new AI. I am Google's new AI. I read the top 10 organic results to create my summaries. To get my attention, your labels must be smart. But you might be thinking, what about other AIs like ChatGPT? It's a smart question, but my new detective here has already figured out the answer.
I've cracked the code. It's actually simple. With this chart, you will understand why focusing SEO on Google is more beneficial than focusing on ChatGPT. You can take a screenshot in 3, 2, 1. So, here's the secret. We optimize for Google's AI because it's the reporter who decides what makes the front page news today. ChatGPT is the librarian who will only read that newspaper tomorrow.
Exactly. Now that you know who to talk to, here are the new rules. Rule number 1. Be extremely clear. I need data, not vague slogans. Rule number 2. Use numbers and facts. Rule number 3. Answer questions directly. Frame your title as an answer. Rule number 4. Show authority. Prove your information is trustworthy. Your action plan. Now, let's put this into action. Here's your step-by-step guide. Step 1. Where to find them. On WordPress, it's in your SEO plugin, like Yoast or Rank Math, right below the text editor. On Wix, go to the SEO settings for each page. On Shopify, look for the search engine listing preview on your product or page editor. Step 2. Check your length. Before you publish, use a free SERP simulator online. Keep your meta title around 60 characters and your meta description around 160. Step 3. The secret trick to update faster. After you make a change, it can take weeks to appear on Google. To speed it up, go to Google Search Console, paste your page's URL in the top search bar, and click Request Indexing. This tells me to come visit your shop now. And remember, meta title. Before, it was the most important way to tell Google what your page was about. Now, it's still very important for Google, but it's also the title people see in the search results, acting like an ad. The meta description. Before, it was thought to help your page rank on Google if you included keywords in it. Now, Google says it no longer helps with ranking. Its only job is to convince people to click on your result when they see it on Google. 4. Your new superpower.
Your meta title and description are not just a technical task. They are your superpower.
Write them for humans first. Fill them with clear, specific value. Do this, and you won't just be another shop on the street. You'll be the one I recommend.
Now you know the secret. Go and update your labels.